Hello mga maring! Kamusta kayo dyan? Nandito na naman kami sa Walmart mga maring at bibili kami ng mga groceries na kailangan namin this weekend kasi ay magka-camping kami for the first time. So first time ko ma-experience na mag-camping dito. Sa Pinas, nakakamping na ako yung sa simbahan namin. May camping kasi every summer. So, sumasama ako nung bata pa ako. Pero dito sa Amerika, ay hindi ko pa talaga na-try. Let's get inside mga maring!
And Walmart.
Yeah. Dito na tayo. It's okay kasi tayo ni Walmart.
And then,
Tapos si Walmart, hindi pa nag-sponsor sa atin.
And then we got to go all the groceries that we got. And we going camping!
Yeah, we will go camping.
Yeah, and then we going fishing.
I'm fishing. Okay, mga maring, let's go. We are here. Sobrang init. Grabe. Yung weather nakalagay doon, uulan ngayon. At cloudy. Pero hindi ko nakikita ang cloudy. Sobrang init. Bye!
Show it to me. Show the video to me.
There you go.
Hi guys, today we are going to go in Walmart and then we are buying so many groceries.
I know, we're buying groceries. Oh, this is wet here. No, don't step on the wet. Let's go. Why is this wet though? Ah, from the garden. From the garden right there. Let's turn this up. Okay, let's get in. We will get... Come here. Don't do that, Lily. Let's get a car. Oh my God, what happened to the car? Make sure it works well. Dahil ang daming car doon, oh. This one is fine. Come here. Come here now. Oh. Ang daming ano, oh, camping chairs sa taas.
Mommy.
We'll get drinks.
I want that so I can sit down. I don't like that.
Uso na yung camping ngayon. So, ayan. Nandito na yung mga charcoals. Mga chairs. Camping chairs sa taas. Meron din silang smokeless wood burning fire pit. Oh, wow. Fire pit. Ang laki ng ano, oh. Chest cooler. $79. At mga sunscreen. Daming sunscreen. Let me see. $9 sunscreen. We have sunscreen at home, though. We don't need that one. This one's for babies.
Is this tiny?
It's tiny.
That's so tiny. Mommy, I want that so I can sit down. Mommy. It's okay if I
Daming
get tired.
sunscreen, like copper tone.
There's a pink one.
Mommy,
Look at the blue and white. That's my favorite.
a lot.
Don't forget it. Whoa.
This one is thick.
Mommy, I'm doing something. Look,
Okay, let's go.
so cute.
I know. Let's go now. Let's get the drinks first. Kunin natin yung importante talaga muna. We're not gonna wander around. We're gonna go to what we need first. Dahil baka mabili natin yung wala sa listahan.
Yada.
Oh.
Can we buy yours? I really wanted a new Mommy, I want this one to be my birthday. Mommy, this one to be my birthday.
Your birthday is December, baby girl.
December the
Oo.
23rd.
Maganda ngayon kasi wala masyadong tao.
Mommy,
Ano ba to dito, mga clearance? Teka lang. $7 ang shirt.
Mommy, I really want to buy a Piata.
In your birthday? Come here now. Mga ano
Mommy, I
pang
wanted the clip.
outdoor
Mommy, the clip.
clothes.
I wanted the clip.
No, we didn't. Oh my God. Boom.
Really?
This way now. Let's go to the drinks first.
I will get the Sprite and the Coke and the. Where's my drink?
Yeah, we will get a drink.
Mommy, I want the tiny drinks.
Oh.
Tiny drinks.
Oh, here's the drink section. We will get Coke, Sprite.
What about the tiny drinks?
We'll get the bottle one, not that one, because it's too tiny.
Mommy,
6-pack.
Mommy,
Mm.
I found the Sprite bottle.
Get Coke and Dr. Pepper.
Daddy, Mommy, I like.
Yeah, that one.
Mommy, I like Fanta. I like Fanta.
Get the small.
It's so heavy.
Put it there.
It's so heavy. Mommy, I like Fanta.
We're not getting Fanta, B.
Dr. Pepper.
A bigger one.
Got it.
Dr. Pepper. Yan. Yan
That's
na.
so heavy.
So, 2 nights kami doon mga maring. Ito yung drinks na dadalhin namin kasi mas dadalhin namin yung maraming tubig kaysa mga soft drinks. So, okay na siguro to. 2 days kami doon and 2 nights.
Then chips. We need chips. Mommy. Mommy, I want to buy tiny drinks.
Oh, we're not getting tiny drinks. Okay, naku, ang dagan. We're not drinking too much soda, B. It's not good for you. Okay, kuha tayo ng ano, yung liquid egg makers. And this one here. Then, and sausage. I need 4 para sa Sunday. Kulang pa ng isa. And leave that alone. Leave that alone. Somebody might get it. And
What do we need next?
we're gonna get cheese.
Oh, I know what cheese.
Just get one.
This one?
Mhm.
This one?
Okay,
I
cheese.
want to get it.
No.
Mom, you don't want to get it. Do we need ham? Do we need ham? A short milk? Look at that sausage.
Sausage.
I found the, this is the Korea sausage.
No, we're not getting that.
So cool.
Where is the
This
best
is the
hot
only
dogs?
one- This is the only one that I like.
This one here.
The only
Ito
one
mga
that
hot
I
dog nila.
like to with-
Classic turkey and pork. Don't do that. Stop.
Mommy, this is
Only
so
me.
little. Mommy, two don't get
We
the
will get
hot
2.
dogs, cheese. Can you just get a normal one for me? It's that one.
This one is the classic.
Yeah.
We'll get 2. Okay, put it in the... Oh! Put it there. We have to arrange it. Okay, we have to get a different sausage. This one is better cheddar and jalapeno cheddar. $7! Expensive.
Is
I'll
this
get this
sausage? Is this sausage?
2.
That's $3.
Yeah, 2 of this.
Is this sausage? Mommy, is this sausage?
Yeah, we'll just get a real egg, that is it.
Okay.
Punta tayo sa burger patties. Let's go to the burger patties. Get down.
Okay. What? Burger patty. This one.
Wagyu. How much is Wagyu? $10. How much? 8 patties.
Mommy, we need to get appetizer.
And 1/3 pound
Mommy, get
burgers.
appetizer.
So get 3 of this. 8. 1.
Why is it so long?
We're gonna get burger buns. So, white burger. White burger buns.
We need a hot dog bun. Hot dog bun.
And 2 hot dog buns. You drop it well. 2 is, I think 2 will be enough. And then dinner rolls. This is 24 rolls. Isa lang yung kukunin natin.
We need to get the marshmallows. That's my favorite.
Yeah, we'll just
Do we need to get the marshmallows?
42 chips in a box.
42. Oh, Mommy, look at this. 42. Mommy.
No, that's a lot. I'll just get
Mommy,
this
you
one.
said 42. Mommy, don't crackers. We're in the cracker section.
Oh, it's right here. Crackers. Honey, graham crackers.
Finally found it.
Okay, move.
Okay.
Now we'll get marshmallow.
Okay, where's the marshmallows? We need a big one. We need a big. Here.
This one is
This
the
is like
easiest.
$3.
This one will be fine. Laki ng marshmallow, Maring. Fine.
Clean. Mommy.
So, ayan, kukuha na ako ng chocolate para sa s'mores.
More.
Labasin mag-exceed tabi sa itong kuan.
What do we need?
Hershey chocolate.
Can I get the Hershey?
Should be the tiny one. No, this one is fine. Snack size.
I said Hershey's. This
How
one.
much is that? $4. And this is
This is
a
fine.
big one.
That's fine.
No, $7. Oh my
I
G.
really like it.
I think we're going to exceed. Okay.
What? And
So, kukuha tayo ng baby wipes kasi yung asawa ko, ayaw na niya gumamit ng toilet paper.
Mommy, I just one.
I think it was
This is a 3-pack. Mom, that's a
washable.
3-pack. And this is a 3-pack.
Parents' choice. We'll get the cheapest one here.
This is the cheapest. That's a,
Cucumber.
what's the big eyes?
Yan, may vitamin E.
This smells so good.
Para malagyan ng vitamin E ang ating sampot.
This is
Yung asawa kasi ayaw na niya maggamit ng toilet paper. So, ginagamit niya yung bidet. Pero nga, magkakamping tayo, walang bidet. So, ayan. Ito na yung gagamitin natin, yung wipes. Simula nang nakita niya ako na gumagamit ng bidet, hindi na siya gumagamit ng toilet paper. Kasi daw, ulit-ulit niya pinupunasan yung puwet niya. Nandun pa rin yung dumi. So, ayan. Mas maganda talaga ang tubig yung gagamitin. Tapos, sabon. Yan, mas malinis. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, that's enough. We're not getting that one. You don't touch that. You don't touch it. Oh, yeah. Wipe
Mom, can you please stop
warmer.
messing me up?
Wipe warmer. And a toilet bowl. This way. Come here. Come here. So, ito na lahat yung nabili namin mga maring.
Mommy.
Kinakabahan ako dahil parang umi-exceed kami ngayon sa budget.
Mommy.
Patay tayo nito sa pag ano ba? Sa pag check out. Ito na ba yun talaga lahat? Ay, oh, meron pa palang watermelon.
Stitch.
Oh, yeah, that's it. Tingnan din yung mga ano nila, mga car seat. Watermelon is the last stop. Let's go. Dito tayo sa my bakery section. Oh, tingnan yung mga maringo, meron silang kasaba. Yan, ang laki ng kasaba. Tapos yung kamote nila, ang lalaki. Next time na lang yung kasaba. Meron din doon, oh, kalabasa. Let's go this way. Dito na tayo sa watermelon. Yung seedless watermelon.
Oh, I just carried it.
It's $6 each.
This is the purple.
So from $8, $6 na lang siya. That's so long. That's a really long watermelon.
Oh, you mean that? You mean that one? You mean that one?
That's really long.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Look at this big watermelon.
So it's time for us to pay. Let's go.
This is so hard. Oh my god.
Sana magustuhan ni Sir yung patties kasi sabi niya hindi daw ito yung sinasabi niyang patties na bilhin ko, pero nakuha ko yung, so let's see kung magustuhan niya ito. Chips, drinks, ang malaking watermelon.
Don't do that.
Na. Pick ko muna tong cart. Grabe yung init, mga maring. Nag-video sana ako sa sa pag-check out ko, pero nakalimutan ko yung cellphone ko, hindi pala naka-on yung video. So wala, sayang. No, you stay there. Ay, nako. Pagkasama talaga mga bata pag mag-grocery, no? Kasi ang dami nilang request. Mai-stress ka. So, ayan na, nabalik ko na yung cart. We're done, mga maring. It's 1:04 PM, mga maring. Natapos din kami. So, yung nabili namin lahat ay $150. So, meron pa akong sobra na $50. So, buti na lang at hindi ako sumobra sa budget. So, pag may bata talagang na kasama, no, grabe, labad sa ulo. Ang dami nilang request. Hindi ka makakonsentrate minsan sa mga pang kukunin mo or bibilihin mo kasi left and right yung nila.
Hey!
Mga sinasabi nila.
Are you the...
Bukas Friday ng gabi, pupunta na kami doon. Sana hindi mulan. Kasi yung gamit namin tent lang siya. Wala kaming camper. At saka yung burger patties, pinakita ko sa asawa ko, hindi pala yun yung gusto niya. So sana ay magustuhan niya dahil sabi niya hindi yun yung gusto niya. Iba. So, bahala na, patties na. Tisim lang naman yan. So, we're going home and see you again next time sa aking vlog, mga maring. Thank you for watching. Bye! Say bye! Bye-bye!